Hello guys, in today's episode we are given an integration to tackle which said evaluate integral of sine x over 1 plus cos square x dx. Clearly, we will use the u substitution to solve for this because none of the methods we know about can solve this. So let me say I will let u to be equals cos x so that I will have one of the general form of integration later on. So if u is equals to cos x, that means du dx is going to be what if you differentiate cos x, you are going to have minus sine x, right? But I will prefer to rewrite the whole of this in terms of the x, so that I'll substitute back here, right? So I'll have it that the x is going to be du over minus sine x. You can actually check out how. Well, let me just do it briefly here so you won't get confused. From here, we said du dx equals to minus sine x, right? If you cross multiply, you will have it that du is equals to minus sine x dx. So that if you divide both sides by minus sine x, you have it that dx is equals to du over minus sine x, which is exactly what I said here, right? So next, let's substitute everything we got here into this. So I'll have something like integral of sine x over 1 plus, instead of cos square x, I'll be using u squared because I've already said u is cos x, right? So I'll be having, instead of the x, what am I putting? I'll be substituting du over minus, let's put it in the bracket, minus sine x. Yes, we have this, so that sine x can cancel sine x out. Then I'll be having, what do we have left here? This is still going to be integral. Let me just write that I equals to, so that I will know I'm defining it on something, right? So I have, what's left is integral of du over 1 plus u squared. And clearly from the general form or the tables we've seen in different textbooks and PDFs or materials for integration, you see that anywhere you see this kind of integration is clearly equals tan inverse or arctan of u. I can put my plus c, but I prefer to write back what is the value of u first, right? Sorry, I made a mistake. I forgot the minus here. So let's factor it out. We have this minus, so I must still have a minus here. So sorry about that. So that our I is going to be minus, tan inverse of what is u, cos x. I can clearly put my plus c this time around because at least I've substituted everything back, and this is the integration or the integral of this particular question. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.